I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to public your Instagram account easy guide. Open the app, go to your profile, then tap the menu and choose Settings. From Settings, go to Privacy and toggle Account Privacy to Public. Review what appears on your profile, adjust story controls, and check who can message you. This simple change makes your posts discoverable and helps grow your audience quickly and safely. Want more control while staying public? Use close friends for private story sharing and keep select content limited. Turn off sharing if you don't want others forwarding your stories outside your circles. Adjust who can reply to stories to prevent unwanted messages or spam. These small settings help you stay public but maintain peace of mind, and they make it easy to tailor visibility without reverting your entire account back to private. Make your public profile work for you by optimizing discovery. Use a clear photo and a searchable username so people can find you easily. Craft a concise bio with niche keywords that explain what you share and who you serve. Add a link or contact button to help visitors take action, whether that means visiting a website, shopping, or messaging you. These steps turn casual viewers into engaged followers and real opportunities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.